In this video, I will guide you on how to remove former username. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now, if you tap on the profile icon and then tap on the three lines, here scroll down and find the option of about. Then here you should be able to find about your account option. Now, it's going to show you former usernames. Tap on that and it's going to show you all the usernames that you have changed. If you want to remove this, then what you can do is first head over to your profile, then tap on the edit profile option. Now go ahead and select edit picture or avatar option. Now you will find different options here. You can choose whichever you want. You can choose a picture from your library, import from WhatsApp, choose from Facebook, or take a photo. Now select it, then tap on the finished option. Once your profile picture has been changed, you want to repeat this process. So go ahead and repeat this process as long as the former username is not removed. You might have to do this around 5 to 10 times before former username is removed. So in this way, you can easily remove your Instagram former username. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.